Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and as you can see, my babies are enjoying their Todd Seeds cat grass.
My kitties, they love getting into our plants and into our flowers, and they just love chewing whatever plants we have at home. But I found them this very nice option. They're very rich in nutrients. They're a great source for vitamins and minerals for my kitties. I didn't have to do anything special with it. I just planted the seeds in the soil, covered them with a little bit of dirt, and I watered them twice a day. And they grew very, very quick. Within a week, it was fully grown. As you can see in the video here, they just loved nibbling into this grass. They love chewing on it. They love the flavor of it. I don't know what it is, but they are obsessed with it.
So we really can't recommend these seeds enough. Your kitties will love it, and that is our point of view.